Welcome, children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Jaleel. This is a very special name that helps us understand just how amazing and magnificent Allah is. Let's discover together what this wonderful name means and why it's so important for us to know about it. Al-Jaleel means the most majestic and the greatest. When we say Allah is Al-Jaleel, we're saying that He is the most magnificent and grand of all. There is no one and nothing greater than Allah. His majesty and greatness are beyond anything we can imagine. We can see Allah's majesty all around us in the amazing things He created. Look at the tall mountains reaching up to the sky. They show us how mighty Allah is. Think about the deep, vast oceans that seem to go on forever. They show us how boundless Allah's power is. And when we look up at night and see the countless beautiful stars twinkling in the darkness, we can see just how magnificent Allah's creation is. Let me tell you about a child who learned about Allah's greatness in a special way. One day, while playing in the garden, this child noticed a tiny ant carrying food back to its family. Then, looking up, the child saw a huge elephant at the zoo next door. The child realized that Allah, Al-Jaleel, created both the tiny ant and the massive elephant with perfect care and wisdom. From the smallest to the largest of creatures, everything shows us Allah's amazing majesty. You see, Al-Jaleel doesn't just mean that Allah is great in His power, it also means He is great in His kindness and care for everything He created. Allah takes care of every single creation, from the tiniest seed that grows into a beautiful plant to the biggest whale swimming in the ocean. He gives food to all the animals, makes sure baby birds are taken care of, and sends down rain to help plants grow. This shows us how Allah's greatness includes His endless mercy and kindness. There are many simple ways we can remember and respect Allah's name Al-Jaleel in our daily lives. Whenever you see something amazing like a beautiful sunset or a colorful butterfly, say Subhanallah. This means glory be to Allah. Remember to thank Allah for all His blessings, like your family, food, and home. Be kind to all of Allah's creation, even small insects and plants. And don't forget to share what you've learned about Al-Jaleel with your friends and family. Now, here's something fun you can do to help remember what we learned about Al-Jaleel. Take some time to draw or write about the amazing things Allah created that show His majesty. You could draw your favorite animal, the ocean, mountains, or write about something that makes you say, Subhanallah. This will help you remember how great and majestic Allah is. Let's remember what we learned today. Allah's name Al-Jaleel tells us that He is the most majestic and the greatest. We can see His majesty in everything around us, from the tiniest ant to the biggest mountain. Remember to notice Allah's greatness in the world around you. Say Subhanallah when you see amazing things and share these beautiful teachings with others. May Allah help us all remember and understand His beautiful name, Al-Jaleel.